Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got a nice recipe for these winter months, hot and sour Chinese soup. A beautiful soup it is. Stay with me guys and I'm going to get straight into it as usual. Okay guys, I'm going to make a start. So for this recipe I'm using 1 kg of chicken breast. Put that in the pan. Put it on full heat and add 1 jug of water. You can add less chicken and more vegetables. I'm going to put the vegetables in after. It's up to yourselves really. You don't have to be precise. But I'm using 1 kg of chicken. I'm going to add a bit more water into it because I think 1 jug's not enough. So another about 1/4 of jug. You want plenty of soup, don't you, for these winter months? And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt into it. That's normal salt at the moment. And I'm going to add 2 black cardamoms and about 4 or 5 cloves. I'm going to put the lid on now and let it come to a boil and let the chicken cook. While the soup's getting ready, the yakhni, they call it the yakhni, while that's getting ready, I'm just going to get the veg ready. I'm going to be putting in carrots and cabbage. Okay guys, I've checked it once in between, but it's ready now, the chicken is. I'm going to get rid of these black cardamoms because you don't need them anymore, the flavour should be in there. So, and I'm going to take all the chicken out, take it out and break it all up into pieces. Okay guys, I've got the same water into another pan. And I'm going to put the chicken into it. I've broke the chicken into pieces and I'm going to put it in now. Give it a bit of a mix, and as soon as it comes to a boil I'm going to add some vegetables to it. Okay guys, that's come to a boil now and I'm going to add some cabbage into it and some carrots. You can add as many as you like, whatever you prefer. Well, I did about 2 carrots there and a bit of cabbage. Let's give it a bit of a mix so the chicken nicely mixed in with the carrots and cabbage. Beautiful. Really lovely and healthy this is. Okay guys, I'll let it boil for a couple of minutes and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Chinese salt, or salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Oh, you can smell the soy sauce straight away. Beautiful colour on it. Let's give it a mix. Really healthy soup this is. I know I keep on saying it, but you gotta try it guys. 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar. Give it a mix. Keep on mixing it so everything stays nicely mixed. Don't settle in one place. Okay guys, I've got corn flour here. 3 tablespoons of corn flour with water and I've mixed it in. And I'm going to add it slowly. This makes the soup a bit thicker. So add a bit at a time, don't add too much. And you'll see it start going thicker. I'm going to leave that 1/2 cup for now. See what it turns out like after a bit. So you can hear it, it's gone thicker. That is gone thicker. It has gone a bit thicker, but not as quite as thick as I want it. So I'm going to add a bit more of this corn flour and water mixed. And give that a mix. Yeah, that's about right now. So I'm going to leave it at that. Because I've still got to add some egg to it and that'll make it a bit thicker. So I'm going to add 1 egg in, whisked egg. Well blended. Just add it in slowly and keep on stirring it though. and this will also make it a bit thicker. Yeah, that's nice, man. Beautiful. Let's keep on mixing it. Okay guys, after adding that corn flour with the water, I've turned it off. I'm still mixing it, and I'm going to add about just over 1/4 cup of chili sauce. Okay guys, that's ready now. Look at that, nice and thick. Beautiful soup it is. MashaAllah, the Chinese hot sour soup is ready. It's a beautiful soup, very healthy, great for these winter months. Like I said, you don't have to put that amount of black peppers or vegetables. You can add more or less, or other vegetables if you prefer them, whatever go in soup. So please do have a go. It's just a wonderful soup. This is fabulous. Please do have a go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.